Blend pasta in a blender for a perfect refreshing drink in this heat. Start by cooking 100 grams of pasta very well in a pan. In a blender, add 400 milliliters milk, half a can of condensed milk, vanilla, and the cooked pasta. Cover and blend everything thoroughly. In a nice mug, add ice to your liking. Pour in our blended drink. I'll top with saffron, but you can use cinnamon if preferred. Add a straw or enjoy straight from the glass. Look how amazing this drink is. Quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.